Hey guys, it's time for, you guessed it, coffee unboxing. Today, as previously promised, I've got the Kroger Medium Roast Supreme Blend Ground Coffee Little Crown. Um, so, just going to do a pretty standard unboxing here. We'll go ahead and break down the outside of the can before proceeding to the inside of the can, which we will discuss after. So first, right here on the outside, as discussed, got the Kroger Medium Roast Supreme Brown Ground Coffee. Now, I have had this coffee before. It's pretty freaking good, I think. Better than either of the previous two coffees I've unboxed, if I remember correctly. So we'll see if that still holds or if, my tastes have changed. This is rich and pure, actually. I'm not sure if the others are rich and pure, but this is rich and pure, and it's also got this like little microscopic kettle inside what appears to be a big trumpet with a blanket on it. So that's quality. I've also got some chess pieces because apparently those are rich and pure, and that actually aligns with the crown theme that we've got going on down here too. So, and there's actually one over here I just saw by the keep calm and put the coffee on. Very royal theme to this, I guess because it's supreme. Once again, it's rich and pure. Got some additional symbols, got this medieval sword and shield business. This appears to be like a pepper grinder down here. I'm not sure. This is obviously a king. This is America, actually, so we don't actually care about monarchies. We hate them. Here's a key, looking pretty fancy. Oh, here we go. Got a lot of information to break down over here. Ingredients, coffee, that's good. You love to see that. Distributed by Kroger in Cincinnati. Probably won't scan the UPC because I'm about drinking coffee, not about looking up UPCs online, actually, using my Kroger app, so forget that. So, we select the finest coffee beans from around the world, then carefully roast them to perfection for a full-bodied cup of coffee with an enticing aroma. Directions: follow the manufacturer's instructions for all coffee makers. And then it goes ahead and gives you instructions anyway. It's pretty standard. I'll probably just ignore that and just do what I do. And this is where here, actually, this talks about the Kroger guarantee. Now, I don't remember seeing this on any of the other coffees. We've still got the remainder of the Sam's Club in here. Just a tiny little bit left inside. So I had to switch cameras, kind of lost track of where I was talking. I think I was looking for like a similar type of satisfaction guarantee here on Sam's Club coffee. And I gotta tell you, I don't really see it. We just got questions and comments here, but that's about all. So, those satisfaction guarantees guarantee your satisfaction, so that's a pretty good thing to have. Additionally, this details the roast levels. Mild is a smooth taste for people who prefer, you guessed it, a milder tasting coffee. Medium actually offers character with a smooth, balanced, and rich flavor. Kind of mix those up. And actually, it doesn't say here, but it's actually sort of a medium taste. Medium dark is slow roasted for a full body, uniquely tasting robust flavor. And dark coffees are bold with a bittersweet taste. And additionally, it's hearty and complex, so that's pretty good. So, bottom, best diffused by April of next year. That should not be a problem. Let's go ahead and get into this. I do actually like this lid a lot. the number 2 HDPE. Just that Sam's Club lid is too stiff. And it's kind of hard to do with one hand, so this one's pretty good. So once again, you've got the aroma seal. It's not just Folgers that does it. Actually, everyone else does it too. So they market this as a benefit that they don't have over everyone actually. First, you gotta go ahead and pop this tab up. You can see it's glued underneath, and then you just pull. Set this down so you can watch. Oh yeah, that is some good tasting coffee. I mean, smelling. Wow, hard to speak today. So you can here. Let me get a utensil so we can stir this up. You can really tell how rich and pure it is, and like the full body flavor that we'll be having. It's really looking nice. It doesn't really taste very good. Yeah, it's kind of groundy. So anyway, well, that's the unboxing. Oh, I missed something. They got some tips. You can always start with a clean coffee maker and fresh cold water, and keep it piping hot once it's brewed. If you reheat it, that affects the flavor. However, I do that all the time. It's fine. So yeah, here's it. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff this in there and I'll be using it very soon. Will be hard to find, but that's okay. So you can easily put that lid on with one hand. I love it. So when you store it, like I did, you're going to want to ensure the lid snaps shut firmly and then to refrigerate it after opening to help preserve the freshness. And it will be a royally satisfying cup of joe.